Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use the Coinex app. The Coinex app is a digital currency trading platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. To get started, first download and install the Coinex app from the App Store on your device. Once installed, open the app and click on Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Then click on Register. You will receive a verification email. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. After verifying your account, log in to the app using your email address and password. The first step after logging in is to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. To do this, go to the account settings and click on Security. Then click on Two-Factor Authentication and follow the instructions to set it up. Next, you need to deposit funds into your account to start trading. To do this, click on the Assets tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Copy the deposit address and use it to transfer funds from your external wallet or exchange. Once your deposit is confirmed, you can start trading. Click on the Markets tab to view the list of available trading pairs. Select the pair you want to trade and click on the Buy or Sell button. Enter the amount you want to trade and confirm the transaction. It is essential to understand the concept of trading pairs and how to read the market data. The Coinex app provides real-time market data, including prices, trading volumes, and order books. Use this data to make informed trading decisions and adjust your strategy accordingly. To stay up to date with market trends and news, click on the News tab to view the latest articles and updates. You can also use the app to set price alerts and notifications to stay informed about market movements. Finally, it is crucial to practice risk management and use proper trading strategies to minimize losses. Set a budget, use stop-loss orders, and diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. By following these steps and best practices, you can use the Coinex app to trade cryptocurrencies safely and effectively.